Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brielle and I am an artist with a purpose, okay? I am back today with a brand new video. I'm really trying to push out this content for you guys because you guys are so loyal and you guys deserve it. Today I'm going to be talking about something really exciting. I mean, at least for me, okay? I don't know about you guys, but I do get waxed. I try to keep the hair off my body because it is a preference of mine. No shade to anybody else, but today I'm trying out this brand called TRESS Wellness. They were so kind and patient with me. This is a brand found on Amazon and they specialize in selling at-home waxing kits, which is what I'm going to be showing you guys today. I know a lot of women like to wax. I know a lot of women want to wax, but they don't know about waxing because of the comfort level, the pain, not just knowing enough about it. So I'm kind of here to spill a little bit of tea and give you guys a little bit of something so you can actually go home and wax yourself, okay? I've already been experimenting. I don't know if I mean, we family, okay? I just want to say, guys, this stuff works. I'm so glad that they sent this product to me because I'm going to be putting everybody in my family on because I know they wax. And honestly, you can save you some coins. Guys, you can save you some coins. Just look at this. The proof is, hold on, how you supposed to do it? The proof is all right here, guys. And I've been trying to save these two pieces just so I can kind of like show you guys really what's going on because it's no joke. It's no joke. Hold on, I don't even know if you guys can see. But I hope you guys can really see. I really don't know. But I'm hoping you guys.
Okay guys, so I really was not expecting all of these things to be in this kit, but I was just so shocked when I got it, guys. So before we get into it, I want to show you guys exactly what you're going to be getting when you order this kit as well. Y'all, they did not just send me 1 bag of wax beans, guys, but 5 bags of wax beans. And I love that because they all come in different flavors, scents, whatever you want to call it. They have lavender, lemon, eucalyptus, which you guys can see, you won't see because I actually already used it, peppermint, and tea tree. Like, I think that is so bomb. I am also extremely appreciative of the fact that on the back of these wax bean bags, if you throw away the instruction pamphlet, they have the instructions right on the bag. Also, this is a little informational. You guys can go ahead and follow them and hashtag them if you do end up purchasing this wax kit. As well as, like I was telling you guys about the pamphlet, I think that it's amazing how they have all this information, all these tips and tricks, and it's straightforward. Like, it's not like a 30-page, novel. It's about 5 pages, and they're giving you tips. They're giving you even more advice, aftercare, before care, and just all sorts of stuff that maybe I didn't cover, but you guys will get this as well. You're really getting a buck for your money because they also sent you wooden sticks that happen to be like the smaller wooden sticks and the larger ones, as well as some gloves. That way, if you wanted to, wax your sister or whoever, you could do it safety and with precautions, as well as a after spray and a before spray. This is the wax warmer itself. As you guys can see, you can lower the temperature or you can increase it. I love that it has an LCD screen so you can know exactly how hot the temperature of your wax warmer will be. I'm not going to actually pour these in because this is future me talking to you guys, but here's the wax beans. You really just pour them in to the amount that you want, and you take a wooden stick once it's warm enough, and you want the consistency, like I mentioned before, to be like honey. It's really simple. It's really easy. When you're finished, you could just put the cap back on it and turn this down. Well, turn it off actually, and you can save. The wax ends up getting cold and it dries back up, and you can just save it again for the next time and just warm it up and add more beads.
Because I don't really feel comfortable waxing my intimate area on camera for YouTube, I will be showing you guys how I wax my under armpit. I already went ahead and I waxed this armpit, and y'all, do you see how smooth that looks? I have sensitive skin, so when this product worked for me and it didn't break me out, I was shocked. Like, my armpit is already clean, it's already freshly washed, not trimmed. This is just kind of how my hair grows. I think I haven't removed this hair for about 2 weeks, so this is all the growth. It says that you need about 1/4 of an inch of hair before you wax. Anything less than that, it probably won't pick up. I've already applied this pre-wax spray. I'm just waiting for it to dry, and I am waiting for this wax to get a little softer. They say that the wax is best when it is at the consistency of honey. So that's what we have right here in our little handy dandy wax bucket. I think it's time to go. The instructions say that you should apply this in the direction that the hair grows. So if the hair grows up and down, apply it up and down. If the hair grows right to left, left to right, apply it left to right. And then when you remove it, you gotta remove it the opposite way. So if it grows left to right, apply it left to right, and then you remove it right to left. They also said when you apply this, and I can vouch for this because in the beginning I was not doing this, but you must apply some pressure. So don't just slide it on there like it's some lotion. You gotta apply some pressure. That is the only way that it will really, really work. And my hairs, they grow up to down. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it up to down, up and down, just so you guys can see. And I'm applying pressure, y'all. You need to apply pressure. And if you prefer to go in smaller sections like me, then go ahead and do it. Once you get to this part and the strings come around, just take the little strings and wrap them back around. And if you feel like you didn't apply enough, or it looks too thin or see-through, you could just go back in and apply some more. Like I said, guys, apply pressure. That is the only way this wax is gonna work. And it's honestly not hot. I would like to say, before you put it on, definitely do a skin test and read the instructions. Everything I'm saying, they say in there even 10 times better. I'm just kind of here to clarify it, so you guys can kind of see in person, because I am a visual learner. Here's the wax, and they say wait about 30 seconds. I even like to press it in. I like to press it in, and because we applied it up, from up to down, we're going to be removing it down and up. Does that make sense, y'all? Is that a buddy? Like, do I sound like a buddy? What it's hitting for, and we're gonna just grab right here. We're just gonna go ahead. Y'all, look how much hair that removed. Get into it. Y'all, hold on, why I can't see it? What's going on? Y'all, do y'all see how quick that was? I'm acting like this is my first time doing it, but just each time I'm so amazed because this is literally my first time waxing myself. I also have a discount code, you guys. Click the link when you purchase it so you can receive a discount. But just look, and it's like, that was so good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do that other little part. Ooh. I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little bit more. And I love that I don't have to use any type of, those waxing papers with it. Not that I have anything, I'm making a mess in here, y'all. Not that I have anything against the waxing papers, I'm just saying, like, this is clutch. Press, apply some pressure. Apply some pressure, 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 pressure. I'll pull. And now it's all off. Y'all, do y'all see that? Waxing, I like to just go ahead and finish it off with the after wax spray. I don't know what this stuff does, but it definitely does feel good. And it gives it a nice little glow. You know, like that after wax, you know, when you come from the lady and then you putting something on there like this is that pressure. Since I did do my body, I wanted to try to go ahead and show you guys how to use it on your face. Like I said, I have sensitive skin, so I'm excited to see how this goes on my eyebrows. Apply a little bit of the pre-wax spray, just to kind of like prep it. Ooh. And then I'm going to take a spoolie, and if you have a hard time doing your eyebrows, then I would say fill them in for sure first, and then wax them. Definitely use a mirror. I'm trying to make it so you guys can see. Okay. Okay. Apply it with pressure as well. See if this can come off now. Ooh, that definitely got off some hairs. Okay, okay. Y'all see the difference? Yes, we love a fresh brow wax.
I even took it one step ahead to wax my mustache, and I so do not regret it, guys. I probably will never go back to any type of eyebrow or wax lady for like my facial hair, because I can do it myself now. Same techniques, guys. Apply with pressure, press down, and then pull in the opposite direction of the hair growth. Here's me being just a little bit dramatic, because that's just how I am. And look, do y'all see the difference? I know y'all see the difference, because it's there.
Since I got basically almost every inch of hair off my body, I would say that this concludes the video. I had so much fun working with this brand. You guys, make sure you go check it out with the link that is in the description box. You can save some money if you use my link. I honestly, like I said, I give everything an A+. I've removed most of the hair off my body that I wanted to remove, and I'm just completely satisfied with everything. I just did my mustache, my armpits, most of my legs, a little bit of my arms, and I would say it's a go for every single part of the body that you would like to remove your hair from. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I so enjoyed making it. Thank you again, TRESS Wellness. You guys go check it out and let me know if it works for you as well. Ta-ta.